so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. The exterior color is known as Bianco Isis, with narrow Ade leather interior. Contoured steering wheel with perforation inserts as well as side bolster and extension, and race-inspired flat bottom design. The Aventador also debuts Lamborghini's new 7-speed ISR automated manual transmission with full shiftability by the aluminum paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Basically, without getting too technical, the ISR transmission is Aventador specific and allows for very quick dual clutch-like 50 millisecond shifts. It's a single clutch transmission that basically takes 2 gears, and depending on if you're in 3rd gear, 4th gear is already prepped, so as soon as you shift it falls directly into it and keeps on going. Very seamless in action. And let's go ahead and turn on the headlights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. Both the windows are fully automatic. And let's go ahead and check out the exterior, shall we? Bi-xenon projector headlamps with LED accenting and LED turn signals. Front parking assist. The Aventador is a brand new model to Lamborghini, replacing the previous Murcielago. Besides being the new flagship from Lamborghini, it shares very little with the Murcielago. Angular and aggressive front fascia with large air intakes. See a little bit more of the detail of the leather stitching. Modest sized glove box with your iPod integration. Fantastic vehicle. Mind-boggling performance, improved drivability, as well as plenty of new creature comforts, all wrapped in an amazingly designed exterior, just as you'd expect from a new flagship from Lamborghini. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the all-new 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.